Let's talk about your productivity setup right now. You open your Journal app to reflect. Then you switch to your calendar to check tomorrow's schedule. Then you hop to your Notes app to find that idea you wrote down last Tuesday. Then you open your habit tracker to log today's streak. Then you realize your to-do list lives in a completely different app. 5 apps, 5 logins, 5 places your life is scattered across. And somehow you still forgot to buy groceries. You're not disorganized, your tools are. Now let's feel how much this is actually costing you. Let's do the math on your current app stack. Evernote Premium, $15 a month. Toggle Track, $9 a month. A calendar app, $5 a month. A habit tracker, $5 a month. A journaling app, $7 a month. That's roughly $490 a year. Every year, forever. And here's the worst part. None of them talk to each other. Your journal doesn't know about your goals. Your habit tracker doesn't connect to your projects. Your notes are floating in a vacuum with no link to the plan they belong to. Imagine building a house where the architect, the electrician, and the plumber never speak to each other. That's your current productivity system. You're not just paying for 5 apps. You're paying for the mental tax of context switching between them. Studies show it takes an average of 23 minutes to regain deep focus after switching tasks. 5 app switches a day. That's nearly 2 hours of lost focus. Every single day. You're bleeding time, money, and mental energy. And your so-called productivity stack is the wound. So what if one app did everything? What if your journal, your planner, your notes, your habit tracker, and your goal dashboard all lived in one place? What if every entry you made was connected? Your morning reflection linked to today's goals. Your goals linked to your habits. Your habits linked to a dashboard showing your real progress. What if it worked offline on every device you own and kept your data encrypted so no one sees it but you? That's not a fantasy, that's Journal It. Journal It is a unified life organizer that combines journaling, planning, task management, note-taking, habit tracking, and goal dashboards into a single, encrypted, offline-capable app. It was built by Hein Nguyen, who started journaling in 2014 and got so frustrated by fragmented apps that he taught himself to code and built the solution himself. He blended the bullet journal method with systems like GTD, Para, and Second Brain frameworks to create something that actually works the way your mind works. Here's the magic. You write your journal entry in the morning. You plan your day with flexible time blocks right next to it. You check off tasks that are linked to bigger projects and goals. And you watch your habits, KPIs, and progress update in real time on a personal dashboard. All of it stays encrypted and on your device. Instead of staying organized across multiple apps, picture this. You open one app at 6 a.m. and by 6:15, you've journaled, planned your day, checked your habits, and reviewed your goals. Coffee still warm. It works on iOS, Android, macOS, and web. Fully offline. Syncs automatically when you reconnect. No internet on a flight? Still works. Camping in the mountains? Still works. Subway with 0 signal? Still works. So here's everything you get with Journal It. Full journaling and timeline. Write daily entries with rich text, photos, and video attachments. See your life unfold on a beautiful timeline. Task management and goals. Create tasks, set goals, and link them to projects and areas of your life. Advanced task features keep everything structured. Bidirectional linking. This is a big one. Connect any entry to any other entry. Your journal links to your project. Your project links to your habit. Everything talks to everything. Habit tracking. Track daily, weekly, and custom habits. See streaks, patterns, and progress at a glance. Custom KPIs and dashboards. Build personalized dashboards with unlimited panels. Track the metrics that matter to you, not what some app developer decided you should care about. 9 built-in organizer types, areas, projects, habits, trackers, notes, and more. No plugins, no complicated setup, it just works. Day themes and flexible time blocks. Structure your schedule your way. Drag and drop time blocks. Sync with Google Calendar and Apple Calendar. Quick capture and widgets. An idea hits you while walking? Capture it instantly from your home screen without even opening the app. Full offline access. Every platform, every feature, no internet required. Auto syncs when you're back online. End-to-end encryption. Your text data is encrypted before it ever touches a server. Your data lives on your device. No ads, No data selling, ever. On every plan, forever. Your life is not a product. Cross-platform sync, iOS, Android, macOS, and web. Start on your phone, continue on your laptop. Seamless. A getting started video series and user guide so you hit the ground running with no learning curve confusion. And you can export everything. Download a zip file anytime. Your data is always yours to take. This isn't another note-taking app. It's the operating system for your life. Now let's talk about price. And this is where it gets really interesting. Through this AppSumo deal, Journal, it is available at a lifetime price. Not monthly, not annually. One payment, access forever. Tier 1 is $39. One license. Originally $99. Tier 2 is $99. 4 licenses. Originally $499. Tier 3 is $199. 10 licenses. Originally $899 and Tier 4 is $299. 20 licenses. Originally $1,299. Let that sink in. $39. Once. Forever. That's less than what you'd pay for 1 month of your current app stack. Instead of just saving money on productivity tools, think about it this way. Pay once what you used to pay monthly, then use the savings to fund that weekend getaway you keep postponing. You're currently spending $490 a year on apps that don't connect. Journal, it replaces them all for the price of a nice dinner. After 1 month, this deal has paid for itself. Every month after that is pure profit for your wallet and your sanity. Now let's talk about the guarantee, because this one is generous. This deal is backed by AppSumo's We Got Your Back guarantee. You get a full 60 days to try Journal It. If it doesn't transform how you organize your life, if it doesn't replace your scattered app stack, if it doesn't feel like the productivity tool you've been waiting for, you get every penny back. 60 days. Not 7, not 14. 2 full months to test every feature, build your system, and see real results. Zero risk, full access, complete refund if it's not for you. You literally cannot lose on this deal. Now, let me tell you my personal story. I was just like you. I had 6 apps running my life. Notion for notes, Google Calendar for scheduling, Day 1 for journaling, Habitica for habit tracking, Todoist for tasks, and a spreadsheet. Yes, a literal spreadsheet for tracking my goals and KPIs. I felt productive, but I was actually just busy managing tools instead of managing my life. I tried consolidating. I built an elaborate Notion template. It took 3 weeks to set up, ran painfully slow on mobile, and didn't work offline. I tried Evernote. Too bloated. OneNote. Too clunky. Every app solved one problem, but created 2 more. Then I discovered Journal It. The first morning I opened it, I journaled about my week, planned my day with time blocks, checked off my morning habits, reviewed my project progress, and glanced at my custom dashboard showing my monthly KPIs, all without leaving the app, all before my coffee got cold. But the moment it truly clicked, I wrote a journal entry about feeling stuck on a project. I linked that entry directly to the project page. I could see my tasks, my timeline, my reflections, all connected. For the first time, my journaling wasn't just venting. It was feeding my system. Now I open one app. That's it. My journal connects to my goals. My goals connect to my habits. My habits connect to my dashboard. Everything flows. Everything makes sense. I stopped managing apps and started managing my life. Your thoughts, plans, habits, and goals all belong together. Journal, it is the first app that actually treats them that way. So here's the bottom line. You have 2 choices right now. Option A, keep paying $40+ per month for 5 apps that don't talk to each other. Keep context switching, keep losing focus, keep watching your journal, your plans, your goals, and your habits live in separate silos that never connect. Option B, pay $39 once. Get everything in one encrypted, offline-ready, cross-platform app. Watch your journaling, feed your planning. Watch your planning, drive your habits. Watch your habits build toward your goals. See your whole life connected for the first time. Journal, it isn't just another productivity app. It's the moment you stop duct taping 5 tools together and start using one system that was designed to hold your entire life. Privately, securely, and even without Wi-Fi. Stop juggling apps. Start living organized. Get Journal It on AppSumo. Lifetime access starting at just $39. This deal won't last forever. Your scattered app stack shouldn't either.